Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kin. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, BFF Kin. More birthdays to come. At sana happy ka sa birthday mo. I love you. Happy birthday, Kin. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. I love you. Happy birthday, Kin! Best friend tayo forever! Sana lagi kang masaya! I love you! Bestie Kin, thank you for our friendship. We love you! Today is a special day, BFF. Happy birthday, BFF. Be happy and stay safe. I love you, BFF. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kin! Sana happy kang ngayon birthday mo. Mahal kita! Hi, Ate Kin! Happy birthday! Just continue being a beauty queen! I miss you! I love you! Happy birthday! Bye-bye! Hello, Ate Kin! I miss you! Happy birthday! I love you! Aral ka mabuti! God bless you! Happy birthday, Kin! God bless you soon! Happy birthday, Kin! Enjoy your day! Happy birthday, Kin! Mag-pray ka palagi at more birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kin! Sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kin! Thank you for inviting me! Happy 7th birthday! Happy birthday, Kin! God bless you! Ingat ka palagi! Salamat!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kin.
Kin! Miss you! Happy birthday! God bless you! Mwah! Ingat! Hi, Kin! Happy birthday! Sana maging stay healthy ka. I love you, Kin. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Bye! Hi, Kin! Birthday! Happy birthday, Arky! I miss you. Galingan mo palagi. Maligayang kaarawan, Kin. I love you. God bless you.
Happy 7th birthday, Kin. Stay smart and humble. Mag-aral kang mabuti para matupad mo mga pangarap mo. Good health always. God bless.
Birthday, Kin. I love you.
Happy birthday, Arky. I love you.
Hi Kin, happy birthday. Love you.
Hi, Ate Kin! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! And sana marami pang birthday ang darating sa'yo. Miss you! Love you!
Hi Queen, happy birthday. Wishing and rooting more achievements for you. Enjoy your schooling, but don't get pressured. Enjoy your day and see you soon. Happy birthday from Ninang Jen.
Hi Kin, happy 7th birthday. English ko lang sana makatapos ng pag-aaral. Pagbutin yung pag-aaral mo. Huwag kang makikinig kay mama at papa mo. And sana maabot mo yung pangarap mo, pagtanda mo. And enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi Kin! Happy 7th birthday! Wish ko lang na sana ma-achieve mo yung goals mo sa buhay. Pagbubutihin mo yung pag-aaral mo and then yung pagiging talented mo tsaka yung pagiging model mo. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Love ka ni Tita Done. I love you. Hi Kin! Happy 7th birthday! Mag-iingat ka palagi. Enjoy your day. Love ka ni Nina and Dayan.
Happy birthday, Kin! Ingatan mo palagi yung sarili mo at sana makamit mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay at palagi mo susundan yung mga utos ni Mami at Daddy mo. Ingatan mo si Phoenix. Enjoy your day and stay healthy. Love ka ni Tita Rain.
Hi, Kin! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best and always remember na nandito lang si Tito for you to support you always. Stay humble, stay pretty, and stay safe kayo dyan with your mommy and daddy and kayo ni Phoenix. Makinig ka lagi kay mommy and daddy mo sa mga payo nila. Yun lang. Love you! Happy birthday!
Hi, Kin! Happy birthday! Mag-aral ka ng mabuti para lahat ng gusto mo at pangarap mo is matupad mo, and lagi ka makikinig sa mami at daddy mo sa mga sinasabi nila sa'yo, mga payo nila sa'yo, at lagi mong susundin lahat ng inuutos nila sa'yo. At lagi mong tatandaan na si Tita Sai at yung mga nakapaligid sa'yo is proud na proud sa'yo sa mga award at achievements na natatanggap mo. Then, lagi lang kami nakasuporta sa mga gusto mo, and yun, proud na proud kami lalo na sa mga matatanggap mo pa na achievements mo. Nandito lang kami palagi para sa'yo. So yun, wishing you all the best. See you soon, baby Kin. We love you so much. Lagi kang mag-iingat, and may God bless you and may God give you a long life, lalo na sa family mo. Yun lang. Stay pretty and kind. Love you.
Hi baby! Happy 7th birthday! Proud na proud sa'yo si tita kasi nakikita ko yung galing mo sa school. Pagbutihin mo pa ha, kasi alam kong proud na proud sa'yo si mama at si papa mo. Napakaswerte nila kasi may anak silang kagaya mo. Enjoy your day ulit, and I wish you all the best, lalo na sa health mo and sa life. God bless, and I hope to see you soon. Proud si tita sa'yo. I love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Arky! Mag-aral ka na mabuti at magpakabait ka pa lalo.
Happy birthday sa pinakamamahal kong pamangkin, Arky. Pasensya na wala si Tito sa birthday mo ngayon, no? Sa susunod na lang, babawi na lang si Tito, ha? I love you, mahal na mahal kita, ha? Enjoy your day.
Bye! Hi, Ate Queen Arkesia! Happy and blessed birthday sa'yo, and enjoy your day. At ipagpatuloy lang ang iyong pagiging mabuting bata at lagi mong tatandaan na you are loved and you are blessed in so many ways. Happy birthday!
Hi Kin! Happy birthday! So alam ko happy ka sa birthday mo. So ako rin happy kasi tutuwa ako na lagi kang happy. So ang wish ko sa'yo, sana pagbutihin mo palalo yung pag-aaral mo. So palagi mabait kay mami at daddy. At saka yung mga talent na meron ka, lalo mo pang paghusayan dahil napakagaling mo. Both sa spoken poetry, sa modeling. So napakatalino mo pang bata. Naniniwala ako na malayong ang mararating mo dahil napakagaling mo. Basta stay humble lang and friendly. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hello, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Happy birthday, Kin. Wishing you a year full of strength and confidence. Ipagpatuloy mo lang ang pagpapakita ng iyong angking, talino at kakayahan. Mag-aral pang mabuti at higit sa lahat, maging mabuting bata sa lahat ng oras. I love you. Mwah.
Happy 7th birthday, our little Apo. May you have a wonderful, blissful, and abundant blessings in your family. More years to celebrate, and be a good daughter to your parents. Study hard and God bless you. We love you. From Lolo Herman, Lola Bell, Titos, and Tita.
Happy 7th birthday, my queen. I'm always proud of you and grateful to have you. I love you always. Take care. Enjoy. Today is your day. God bless. Love, love.
Hello anak, happy birthday. Sana maging mabuti kang bata. Always put God first in your heart. Lahat ng mga achievement, laging pasalamatan always si God. At enjoy being kiddo, anak. Happy birthday ulit. Bye. Love you.
Doing me regardless, and I don't care.